Hello, my name is Kev from DataSights, and in this video we're going to be talking about snapshotting data, the snapshot service, what it's used for, and how you can easily get this dataset going. So snapshotting data is useful for data that you want to, say, build comparative reporting or trend reporting over. It's when a particular set of data doesn't give you history. So what we're really doing is we're taking a view of data and then we are snapshotting it into we're snapshotting it on a schedule that you decide, so it could be daily, weekly, monthly, so that from your reporting tool you'll be able to see how values change over time. So a very good example of this is with, say, inventory data. Predominantly most of them only give stock levels as of now. They don't give stock levels daily going back or weekly going back. The main reason is because it's a lot of data. But anyway, we are here to help you solve that problem. So if we just look at the data quickly itself, and the other area that is used a lot in this is CRM data, how data moves through a pipeline through the various stages as well. So if we look at the Dear Product Availability data, which is over, let me refresh, so stop wasting your time. There it was the whole time. We can see here, it's got some funny characters in here because we anonymized it. So for example, here we've got our stock count on hand, on order, all those good things, latest price, etc. So in order to snapshot something, we don't allow you to snapshot tables because usually there's a lot of extra columns in there you don't need. So we allow you to snapshot views. If you need to create a view, particularly over something like this, we can go and look at the product availability view and go and create that view, and it's in here that you can make some changes. For example, let me just pause. Sorry about that, demo layers. So we've gone in now and clicked execute, and now we have our, if we have a look over here, we have our Dear Product Availability view. This is a good place to say, let's not show any products or stock that doesn't have any availability. We only want to see those that have availability or certain locations or anything. So it's giving you a chance to slim down that data so that you're not snapshotting unnecessary data, because obviously if you snapshot daily, you're going to build up a history pretty quickly. So yeah, if you're not sure, get in touch. We'll help you guide you in that process. Now that you've got a view to snapshot under services and tools, it's super simple. All we have to do is go and click add next to this, and that's adding it to the snapshot service. And then inside the syncs page, we need to go and say when the snapshot service is going to run. So if we decide to snapshot daily, every day of the week, maybe except for Sunday, and we do it at sort of 6 a.m, so it's nice and fresh in the morning, and hit save, then we will, this is the schedule it's going to run on. Now, so that we can actually go and have a look at the data and look at what we're doing under the hood, I'm just going to run the snapshot service twice so we can build up 2 snapshots of the data. Alright, so we've just gone and triggered and run that twice. I'm just going to pause this because we don't actually want to run this every day. And now let's go and look at the data. So now we will have a snapshot table called under Dear, and it'll be called, let's go and have a look, Dear Product Availability View Snapshot. And when you can now connect Excel, Power BI, Google Looker, you can push to Google Sheets, it doesn't really matter. When you connect that data, the really key part here is the run ID. The run ID, as you'll see, we're only going to have 2 run IDs. Imagine we're doing this daily, there'd be a run ID every day. So if you were to compare run ID 1 versus run ID 2, you're going to be able to see the movement of those values between the 2 snapshots. I hope that makes sense, but as always, please don't struggle. Please reach out. We are here anytime, any question. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye.